Hi, it's Justin Costello with Marine Max in Pompano Beach. I'm going to show you a beautiful brand new 2020 Aviara 32 outboard. Let's take a look. Look at this beautiful two-tone gray with white motors, beautiful hardtop. Look at that design. Let's go aboard and I'll show you some of the options she has. It's Justin Costello up aboard the brand new 2020 Aviara 32 outboard, powered by a twin Mercury Verado 300 horsepower in white. Take a look at this large walkway, ample sun pad and seating on the transom, cup holders. It's got the cool touch vinyl, and look at these really cool bar stool setups here. So when you're lounging up front, you can have a forward facing seat. You can have someone sitting right here on the back, looking out and enjoying the view at the sandbar or a water skier. These do retract hydraulically, so we can go ahead and push them all the way down to make it a flush look. Coming inside, you're going to notice an infinite amount of speakers. So it's a Klipsch 1600 watt sound system with a subwoofer. It's got a beautiful cool touch gray interior, tile C-deck flooring, very modern looking. Looks like a high-end home. Black solid surface countertop. We've got a sink under here, which is also insulated. We can keep some bottle storage, draining sink, pull out 12-volt refrigerator, as well as a large slide-out cooler. Plenty of space for entertaining to bring your drinks, sandwiches, etc., snacks for friends. Look at all this L-shaped seating that we have wrapped around. Nice modern grab handles, cup holders everywhere. Speakers below. More speakers up in the hard top. This has a full RGB spectrum lighting package. We can go all the way across the spectrum with a slider bar. Over here on these screens, you can control all the lighting, all the systems on board, Garmin GPS controls. Your Simrad screen right there for your engine displays. Of course, we also have Mercury joystick piloting, automatic trim tabs. Let's keep going forward. And wait till you see this. I'm going to open up the head compartment here. It's huge. 2 steps down, lots of headspace, place to hang a towel, grab handle if you're in rough water, nice sink, and then an electric flush toilet. And what's really nice is they stick a magnet on the floor here, so the door will stay open and not slam on your feet when you're underway. Really nice engineering design right there. And you notice, look how high the gunnels come up. I mean, this is all the way up to almost to my chest. You feel very safe and protected. Definitely an offshore hull platform with a lot more seating on the front. You can get a filler cushion to fill this into a big sunbed. More speakers. I mean, look at all the cup holders. Just in the front alone, there's 8. Right up here, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Boat has a full cover. Again, it's Justin Costello with Marine Max Pompano Beach. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. It's the Aviara 32 outboard.